Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by routing the vocal to a single mixer insert and cleaning it. This matters because compression reacts to level. Once routed, insert Fruity Multiband Compressor on that insert and set output gain to 0 dB. This prevents hidden clipping. Play a representative phrase and loop 1/4 to 1/2 second of a challenging passage. Make sure to solo the vocal so you hear processing clearly, and adjust input level so meters sit around -6 dB. That gives headroom for the multiband work. Now you dial the bands. Drag crossovers to roughly 120 Hz and 5K Hz to isolate bass, presence, and air. This helps target sibilants and bodies separately. Once done, lower each band's threshold until you see 2 to 8 dB of gain reduction when the vocal peaks. Aim for gentler reduction on highs and slightly stronger on mids. Make the attack fast enough to control transients, but not so fast it smothers life. Use release to let phrases breathe. As you tweak, bypass bands to compare and finish by balancing makeup gain so the process vocal matches the bypass level. This prevents loudness bias when judging tonal changes. Once finished, automate band makeup or bypass for tricky phrases and consider mid/side processing if stereo spread causes masking. If you hear pumping or unnatural artifacts, make 3 quick fixes. Reduce the ratio, slow the attack slightly, or nudge crossovers by 10 to 20% to reduce band interaction. If problems persist, bypass the plugin and reevaluate input gain staging. Often that resolves persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.